We got Cody fueling. I just greased. Tessa's attempting to put on side shields. And Mom is cleaning windows and cabs. Well, actually, Tessa cleaned that cab. Let's see if she put the shield on right. You think you did it right?
I don't know. It's my first time.
Let's see. That one's wet. That one's wet. And that one is. It's not in the groove, though. You don't have any of them in the groove. We have to cut 40 more acres with the chopper up and windrow, and then we have to put it down and chop the rest of the field. So I guess we have to watch acre counters for a little bit. Mom is still getting fuel in her combine, and mine's ready to go. So Tessa and I, we're gonna start cutting.
You want me to go get him?
Yes, please. What you want to do when you put your chopper down is get downwind, so all that gets on your neck. Well, we finished this field, and we're gonna pull off headers here real quick and go to the next one. So someone was asking in one of the comments on how I put the header on the trailer, and I pretty much line up in the middle of these saddles right here where the middle of my reel is, and I just go forward. It's easier to put your header down and then, you know, get it in the middle, and then when you get up to it, just raise your header up and try to keep it, you know, straight. I don't really care where I'm going left or right on the trailer. I'm just trying to keep it straight, if that makes sense. So I can always back up and pull up if I need to with the trailer. Like right now, she's gonna have to pull up. But right now I'm just trying to keep my header square, if that makes sense. Pull up just a little bit. And then when she's on the edge of that saddle, then you just drop it down like so, and it falls off just like that. And then you back up, and then you strap it and you go. So pretty simple. I just did that with one hand. So, and then whenever I hook it back up, I'll show y'all whenever I do hook it back up. This little indicator right here, right there in the middle, I know it's not even with that rubber flap because that rubber flap can move back and forth. So that was my blinker. I get that in the middle with that little center link, and I just go forward and it fits right in. So if you wonder how I put the header on and off so easy, that's how you do it. Dib was catching all the grasshoppers. Hey, are you ready? He could chase a grasshopper to Canada and back. Dibs, load up. Sun is right here. Shade's over here. Why not just scoot it over? Why couldn't they? They got all the room up here to scoot that over, and they never did. And I don't know if they did it on the new ones yet. They at least added a side one on the new ones though, I saw. But why not just scoot it over? Come on.
I win because I'm first.
What?
I mean, technically she's not wrong. But not in the way y'all play it.
Whatever. Mom hasn't won the light game in a very long time. Well, Mom was dusting me out, so we had to stop and clean the windows. I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's getting pretty dusty outside. Well, we filled up Safari and we filled up Dad, and we're leaving the grain cart empty. Tonight they're calling for rain, and we want to leave the grain cart empty and the combine's empty. That way, if it does rain, then we have the option to move fields, as well as get the equipment out, specifically the grain cart. If we put 60,000 pounds on the grain cart and it comes in here and rains a whole bunch, it's going to be really hard to get that grain cart out of the field and also load the truck in the county road. So we're leaving that empty in case it rains. We're hoping that it doesn't rain though. We are almost done with this field that we are on. It has the most terraces that I've ever seen in my entire life. We have 46 acres left, so we don't have too much in this field if it doesn't rain, and then we'll be moving fields, but that's a tomorrow story. Anyways, that is going to be it for today's video. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. I think we're going to give it about 15 minutes and cut another load.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, there goes the lid.
I mean, when it does start hailing, it's just gonna blast the side of my pickup.
I can't see anything through my window. I'm glad Mom's pickup and Dad's pickup are guarding mine though.
You're so old.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, we got a tornado right now.
I really don't know. The hail is currently going sideways. I guess you're guarding me.
Yeah, me and you need to trade places.